Has your resin cured unevenly? Some areas are rock hard while others are still soft or sticky. And what went wrong?
I'm David, and today with Craft Resin we'll be breaking it down to make sure that it never happens again.
Now, let's kick off with temperature. I've said this a bunch of times, but it's huge. A resin needs a stable environment of 22 to 25 degrees to cure properly. If some parts of your workshop are colder than others, like if your project is near a drafty window or sitting on a cold surface, those areas will cure slower or even stay tacky. Now, to fix this, make sure your workspace is evenly heated and place your mould on a wooden or silicone mat instead of a cold tabletop. You can even use a heat pad like I have here. Next up is mixing, and oh boy, this one's a biggie. If you don't stir your resin and harden it thoroughly, some parts won't get the right chemical reaction, leading to uneven curing. Now, always mix for at least 3 to 5 minutes, scraping the sides and bottom of your cup to ensure that everything blends properly. Layer thickness can be something that can trip you up too. If some areas are too thin, they might not generate enough heat to cure, while thicker areas could overheat and harden way too fast. Check your resin's instructions for the recommended pour depth, and if needed, work in layers to ensure even curing.
Here's one I learned the hard way. Use fresh resin. If it's old or it's been stored in crazy hot or cold temperatures, then it might just not work right.
So, to prevent uneven curing, keep your workspace warm and stable, mix thoroughly, pour at the correct depth, and use fresh, well-stored resin.
Follow these steps and you'll get perfect results every time. If this has been useful, give us a like or let us know in the comments if you ever had your resin cure unevenly.